Hello guys, so today I am going to be unboxing my TMF merch, yay! Okay, so here it is, here's the box, and I'm going to open it now because, yes. And da-da-da-da, here it is, the poster! Oh my god, that is so amazing! Okay, so here is the full poster, which is restrained. And here's it with better lighting, so you can actually see it. Yeah, that's much better. I'm going to be putting it up on this blank empty wall. Fortunately, at the time of me recording this, I do not have my Jake plushie yet, but not to worry, because I will be uploading this video as soon as I get my Jake plush. So you'll see me unbox it in 3, 2, 1. So after a few days, it is finally here, and I've gotten my Jake plush. So we're gonna be opening it now. So I have finally gotten my Jake plush, and he is so cute, I love him, but my first impression was, wow, he's so big. Like, I knew he was going to be bigger than he seemed, but I didn't expect it to be this big.
We all know our favourite simp right here. Well, we made him into a plush. You can get your very own limited edition Jake plush to squeeze, throw about, place under your bed, let out all of your frustrations on. You know, good old fun stuff.